In this video, we are watching Cavalieri Tomato Factory. Once the tomatoes arrive, they are checked to identify the content of sugars. Once all measurements are taken, sugar and water levels, the process begins. Tomatoes are unloaded for the first wash. A conveyor belt takes them to the separator, where non-mature tomatoes are discarded. Then, tomatoes travel through water channels inside the factory. The process of skin removal begins with a hot bath. Once out of the bath, tomatoes are carried by conveyor belts to the mechanical peelers. On this stage, tomatoes travel on a screen. Rotating brushes separate the skin. This is what will become tomato puree. On a separate machine, tomatoes are peeled whole. Then travel into rotating blades. Tomato chunks come out the other side. From there, everything travels to the canning station, and then to the supermarket for you to pick them up and use them in a delicious meal. This next video is very interesting and entertaining. Let us watch a robot making bread rolls. Dough comes out of the mixer. Sizers make sure it is in the correct thickness. Traveling on the bandsaw, cutting off strips. Next comes the chopping knife for the final cut. And dough is now lined up 7 by 7 pieces ready for the robotic arm. Now just watch and enjoy the magic of the robot. Making optimal molding movements in every phase of the rounding process. Enjoy your bun! Cashew nuts. Let us see how they are processed. Once arrived in the factory, the first step is a pass from a grater. After, the nuts are going through a cooking process. One cook, next step is shelling. Machine cracks the shells to release the nuts. The shaker separates the shells from the cashew nuts. Nuts are laid in trays ready for the dryer. The machine removes the kernels. Nuts are graded by size. Let's check for defective nuts and on to packaging.
Chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? Let's watch the making of chocolate bites in an automated factory line. Ground roasted cocoa seeds and chocolate liquor are added to chilling mixer. Nuts, dry fruits and other additional ingredients are added in this stage too. After mixing is done, molds are used and the mixture is refrigerated. Once the dessert test is acquired, the cylinders are moved to the extruders. A large number of shapes available. Conveyor belts carry the pieces to the next stage, usually a chocolate bath or half bath, all according to the desired end product. A shaker and compressed air are used to remove the excess and give the final look. Sometimes extra decoration is done by hand. After a quick trip inside the chilling chambers, chocolate hardens. Workers get them inside their fancy boxes. Enjoy!
Who loves kebab? This machine is kebab magic. Let us watch this extruder making kebab skewers. The mixture is inside the large mixer. A screw extruder pushes the mincemeat inside the pipe. At the end, there is cylindrical mold. The operator initiates the process by a foot pedal. He just has to synchronize the pulling of the wooden skewers.
And voila! We have kebab on a skewer. Ice cream sticks. Let us watch how they're made. The mixture is pushed out of the foam. A wooden stick is injected and then sliced. Now the ice cream is traveling on a conveyor belt. Press to the desired shape. Robotic arms insert them to the hostel ready for a bath. A quick dip in chocolate. And off to the shaker. Finally, push in the package line. Yummy yummy!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos.
And off to the
Bye bye.
shaker.